Hi friends, welcome to second video. Here's an aftermarket GPS DVD player for Peugeot 301. It has Win 6 operation system and dual-core A8 1GB CPU. It uses Samsung S5 PV210 CPU chipset and support CD sound quality and 1080p HD video. Let's check out the great functions in it. You can listen to radio by selecting channels manually or automatically. It has AF and TA function. It supports RDS. You can select channels by program times. It supports band AM and FM. You can shift radio to stereo status and listen to local radio stations. Connect your phone with the unit via Bluetooth and dial numbers on the screen directly. You can also answer calls on the screen. Download phonebook. And listen to music from the phone. You can operate on both your phone and the unit. Open GPS system in the main menu. Then the navigation map will show you detailed route information. It supports 3D map and voice prompt. You will never get lost with this function. The DVD player supports DVD, VCD, CD, MP3, and other formats. The FreeZone POP technology supports at most 3 windows working in one screen. You can use different functions at the same time. Connect your iPod or iPhone to the unit. Then you can listen to songs from it freely. You can enjoy media files from a SD card in the unit. You can listen to songs. You can enjoy videos from the SD card too. Back to the media menu and enter photo interface. Select photos from the SD card, then you can view photos by sliding your fingers on the screen. There are many tools in this unit. There are Car Speed DVR, Folder, Calculator, Calendar, Clock, System Info, and Games. Come to the setting interface. You can set options of GPS system, audio, and language.